5. The Hungry Refrigerator. Characters: Girl Mina, talking fridge. Scenes: kitchen. Mina opens fridge. Fridge: stop taking food. Feed me sometimes. Mina: feed you? What? Fridge: I survive on electricity, but cookies help. Mina feeds a cookie. It falls inside. Burp. Mina: never again. Fridge shows inside shelves. Fridge: please keep things neat. Cold air needs space. Mina: okay, let's clean you. They arrange shelves. Fridge: much better. I'm a cool guy now. Ending. Mina winks. Text: organized spaces make life easier.